All in one bite. Nanababaw kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, this is our second time to feature Samgyup on the go. So we featured them in the past, and even though during this quarantine lockdown, they have managed to branch out to Bocaue and to Magalang. So congratulations, Samgyup on the go. If you are still interested to do business with them, you gotta check out their fan page. Try to ask kung paano po maging partner sa kanilang business, because I've seen from their fan page na pwedeng mag-franchise ng kanilang business for as low as 25,000 pesos. So ito yung pinadala nila, guys. Let's just quickly unbox them one by one. I'm gonna mention the name para ma-identify natin kung ano yung pagkain. So starting from my right, meron tayong kimbap. And then we also have egg rolls, fish cake, meron din tayong tteokbokki. And then of course, meron tayong japchae, Korean glass noodle. And then on my left, ito yung mga side dishes natin. Meron tayong daikon radish. We also have potato marble. And then of course, kimchi. We also have cucumber salad. And this cheesy corn. Now let's get into the meats. Ito po ang kanilang beef bulgogi. Meron din tayong pork with enoki. Check that out. Meron din tayong Korean sauce barbecue flavored pork. And then meron din tayo ditong black pepper. And then lastly, in the middle is yung staple pork belly. Now for the sauces, of course, hindi mawawala yung samgyupsal sauce natin dyan, Ssamjang. And then meron silang available na cheese. Check that out. And then to, wrap it all in the middle, we have very, very fresh lettuce. Now, let's go downstairs. Lutuin po natin yung mga meat natin. And then let's go back here. We're gonna taste another Samgyup on the go. Samahan niyo po ako. Tara! Alright, so yun mga kabalin. From our cooking table back to our vlogging room. Ito na yung naluto kong mga meat natin. So, let's construct our lettuce. Alright, so we've constructed our lettuce, and as I always say, all in one bite. Whew, wow, grabe, that was amazing beef meat. Ang sarap ng meat nila. It's so flavorful, ang bango. Since we have a lot of, side dishes and other Korean dishes, tikman natin isa-isa. So like for example, this kimbap. Wow, ang sarap nun. Let's also taste this fish cake here. Fish cake. Wow. Yeah, let's try this egg roll here. So trying out their egg roll. Wow. Actually, hindi siya tinipid sa lasa, no? So unlike other egg roll that I've tasted in the past, this one is really savory and flavorful. Another dish I wanna try is yung kanilang cheesy corn. Whoa! Oh, wow. Let's taste the kimchi. Wow! I was surprised, grabe. Hindi siya ganun overpower the spiciness, it's just right. Okay, so let's put in last our kimchi and then Ssamjang paste and more more cheese. Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you're interested to, taste Samgyup on the go or check out all the products that they serve, make sure to head on to their fan page and call the number we're gonna be providing. And if you like the food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, lalong-lalo na yung best friend mo na nagkikrave ng Samgyupsal. This is available at the comfort of our home. Thank you so much for watching here in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there.